So we pretty much grew up in El Paso, born and raised. This is home. We graduated from Bel Air, different years, obviously. But I remember one thing that kind of stands out when we were younger is we had a sibling rivalry, but a healthy one. It was football. He was on one side and I was on the other. Whether it be street football, whether it be out in the park, out in the in the grass, it was his team against ours, and we're definitely leaders, right? He was the leader of his team, and I was the leader of mine, and so we'd go at it, man. We were super competitive to this day. We might still be a little competitive, but fun fact, we actually did play together on a football team for the city, the Raiders, right?
Yes.
It was a city league, and we're a little bit out of high school. We were both out of high school, right?
Yes.
So yeah, we played a team out of Juarez, and they whooped us pretty good. I wouldn't want to do anything different, or with anybody else. I mean, being able to depend on my brother, knowing that the company's in good hands, I'm 100% comfortable with that.
Like Jacob mentioned, that's part of why it's helped us become leaders and open the business and lead the workers that we have here in the right direction.
I think working with family, obviously, with my brother, there's nobody that I'm more connected to in every aspect of it, and so it just naturally that bond is unbreakable no matter what happens.
Going out there and helping the customers out, I truly believe that we take care of them like they're part of our family. Especially with our background, we know what it is to struggle. We know what it is, not to have certain amount of money to pay for certain things. So I think that's the difference with us, is that we truly care for the customers. But I think with the bond that we've created, the people that we surround ourselves with, I think that's helped us, create the business that we have right now.